Alright guys and girls, welcome to another episode of Astro Auto Repairs. Can you dig it? Alright, check it out. Behind me, you got a 2003 GMC Envoy with a 4.2 engine. And the customer's complaint is that it's making some kind of rattling or knocking noise. Uh-oh, we might be in trouble here. So let's diagnose this and find out what's going on right here today on Astro Auto Repairs. This channel is a member of the Astral Stars, which means we have a zero-tolerance policy against the harassment of others. Anybody who violates that policy will be banned. For further information, please visit www.theastralstars.com. Alright guys, the first thing we do, let's verify the complaint. Let's start this vehicle up.
A little bit. Is that it? What is that? Is that the sound?
Guys, you know what? I'm gonna let this warm up a few minutes. And then we'll be right back. Alright guys, there it is. The noise was not there, but I was hot inside the vehicle, so I cut the AC on, and there it is. It sounds like it's coming from this side. Put a little light in it. Wow, it's noisy. Oh man, guys, look at that belt tensioner down there. Alright, let's see what the heck going on here. Oh man, I see it right there. Guys, if you can, guys, let me get a screwdriver and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got a screwdriver here. Now look at that touching the wheel and right up against the block right there, the engine. And what I'm going to do is get my screwdriver, pry it between here. Look at that, guys. That thing is just hitting, just like brrr. So we need a tensioner.
But why does it only happen when the AC's on?
Because the AC puts a lot of strain on an engine. It's like turning the steering wheel puts a stress on the engine. right now. Okay, so that's that. So let's get this thing off and get this thing changed. We'll be right back. All right, guys, what you're gonna do? Let's get this off. First thing we're gonna do to get our belt off. I got a 3/8 drive, 1-inch 3/8 drive, 3/8 extension with my 3/8 drive ratchet, and you're gonna put it into the position like you're tightening up a bolt. Now, in the center of our tensioner, we're gonna have a little adjusting hole right there, and that's to stick that extension right in. Dang it. Alright, let's get this thing in here. And we're going to go like we're tightening. And when you're tightening, watch the tensioner. See how the tensioner goes forward? So while it's going forward, take your other hand and take the belt off of the power steering pump. And then slowly release your hand off of the tension. And it's going to be just like that. Alright? And try to leave your belt in place. So I'm going to leave the belt just like that. And next thing we're going to do is get us a 15mm shallow 3/8 drive socket. We'll be right back. Alright guys, we got our 15mm socket 3/8 drive. And you're going to have a bolt right in the center of that tensioner, right there. Let's get this on here. And let's loosen that up. And that's the only bolt that's holding this tensioner on. So let's get this bolt out of here. And I'm trying to, okay, never mind guys, don't repause it yet. We'll stay right there. Reach down to here, and our bolt comes out. And be careful because the tensioner will drop if you don't keep a hand on it. Let's take that right up out of there. Alright, we'll be right back. Alright guys, here we go. We got our old one and we got our new one. Now, what I want you to pay attention to is look over here guys. If you notice, look how shiny, you got shiny marks all around here. That thing's definitely been hitting up against there. So, let's get this in. Now you're going to have an alignment pin right here. There's going to be a hole inside the front cover that's going to align with that, and then the bolt goes right through it. So let's go over there and get this in. We'll be right back. Alright guys, now if you look down here, you're going to see a little opening right there.
Scratching on the power steering wheel. I mean, if you want, you can move it out.
But you can see it right there. Leave it right there.
They can see the cutout.
Alright, that cutout is where you're going to line that pin up to. So, when you push this down there, it's going to line up to there. Nah, this ain't going to work because I got to get on that side.
From this side.
Up down there, and at the same time, let's put this button in now. And get that in there. I can't even see it. There we go. Got that lined up. And guys, look at the clearance between the pulley and the engine cover when I got this up there. Look at all that clearance right there. That's how it's supposed to be. So let's get this on there. Get this bolt all the way brought in, and we'll be right back. Alright guys, now to tighten that bolt out. Tighten the bolt up. Now the reason why I'm telling you this is because this bolt is being screwed into aluminum. If you tighten it up too tight, you will strip that out and you can forget about it. Then you're going to have to change the whole front cover of this engine. So when you tighten this up, you want to go till the ratchet stops. I get this thing to... There we go. All right, stop. And then just turn it a little bit more. That's it. Go any more, you take a chance of stripping that out. All right, let's go ahead and put our belt on. We'll be right back. All right, guys, let's get our belt on. It's gonna suck. The first thing you gotta do is let's get our belt on the bottom of the crankshaft. Go around our tensioner, just like that. Make sure all the other pulleys are on. Now, the tensioner on this, before on the original assembly, it was back here, but this one is further up here.
Can't see.
That's not good then, because I can't. Can you see? Well, you can see from up top here.
No, because I got the hole right there. See, let me see the hole. Maybe I can see through the fan. Whoa.
Oh, let me see the camera from that. Right there, guys. See how I got the ratchet into the tensioner right there at the end? That's where you want it. Then you're going to take the ratchet and turn like you're tightening up. Gotta get enough play in here. And get that belt on the power steering. That sucks. And once you get it on a little bit, that's going to be good enough. And also, very precaution, guys. This is your cam sensor right here. Be very careful of that cam sensor swinging that ratchet right there, because you break it, then you're going to have to put another one in there. Alright, so I got the belt partially on right there. So now I'm going to bring it up a little bit more and get it the rest on. And there we go. Release the tension. Make sure all the belt is on all the grooves, nothing off, because if you're off one groove, it will mess that belt up. See all the grooves on the alternator, compressor down there, everything is good. Now let's go over here to the tensioner again. Look at the space I have between the tensioner. Oh, that's really better. This.
If you want to look at back there, then no.
That space?
Then I'm better over here.
Okay. Look how much space I got between there now. That's the way it's supposed to be. All right, so what we're going to do now is start this vehicle up and then cut the AC on. All right, we'll be right back. All right, I'm going to start the vehicle up. And then we'll cut the AC on. AC is now on. No noise whatsoever. And if you look between it, look at that tension. Remember how before we had the AC on and the tension will vibrate like crazy? Look at it now. It's standing still. That's the way it's supposed to be. All right, we'll be right back.
All right, today we had a 2003 GMC Envoy, and we showed you how to replace the belt tensioner assembly. So if you guys have any comments or questions, you can post it below in the comment section, or you can email Timmy at tim@astralautorepairs.com. Hope you paid attention. If not, watch it again. This is Sylvia from Astral Auto Repairs. If we can't repair it, nobody can. See you next time.